Good morning, everyone. Open-minded ka ba? Nakatanggap na ba kayo ng ganon na tanong from maybe a friend or acquaintance or from random people about this and then ends up proposing to you a business opportunity para mag-join sa business nila and be an investor and be a distributor? If yes, then yan, meron kang, what do you call this? You have an experience of being invited in an MLM company, right? And then meron nga yung viral na video from Tulfo about a certain MLM company that is, nakagulo sila. But yeah, we'll talk about that. Yun yung topic natin ngayon. Mga dapat mong malaman tungkol sa MLM, right? Ano ba ang MLM? Ano ba dapat alam nyo bago kayo pumasok sa MLM, or kung dapat ba kayo pumasok sa MLM, right? Ano pa ba? And ayun, the things you need to know. Basically, I want you to understand this before getting into an MLM company. Okay? I have so many friends na naging mayaman na because of an MLM company, because of joining MLM company. I have friends na on the other side naman na nawala ng capital dahil sa mga MLM company. So, let's talk about that. Ano ba nangyari? Ano ba yung sides nila? I even have a friend na mayaman na sa MLM. Yumaman dahil sa MLM, pero ngayon, his heart is against MLM because of the issues right now. So, we're gonna be talking about that today, right? So before we go to the topic, and I'm gonna read a few comments for everyone. So from everyone, so that we can let the audience number kick in. Okay, Vince Paneda, good morning, coach. Good morning din. Rodrigo Calios, good morning. Right, let me just turn this down. Right, so let me check the audio. Okay bang audio? Alright, very good. So, Rodrigo Caldas, good morning. Michael Samiento, morning Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Happy learning sa atin, guys. Good morning po sa inyo. Stella Garzon, good morning from Davao. Magandang umaga pa sa inyo dyan. Maing buntag. Ed Siervo, morning sir. Watching habang nasa jeep to work. Grabe traffic. O nga, kahapon daw sa Manila. Hindi ko alam saan yun. So, may Kapatipunan daw. Sobrang traffic because, nabaril yung kotse ni Miss Kim Chu. So, nagka-traffic because of the investigation that happened morning. Sana mas okay na ngayon kahit traffic. At least hindi parehas kahapon. Marims, good morning, sir. Good morning din. John Mark Sarsalejo, good morning, coach. Good morning din. Alright, so, let's go to the topic, MLM. Right? We are, Financial Freedom 101 is a page to teach you about earning, about investments, and MLM is one avenue that we can consider para mapunta tayo sa financial freedom, 'di ba? So we can attain financial freedom. So let's talk about MLM. Bakit hindi natin pag-usapan? It's a very hot topic right now. Kasi meron pa rin mga MLM ngayon na sikat, gumagamit pa ng mga artista to entice people to come in. But is it true? Ano ba dapat malaman nyo tungkol sa MLM? Okay? So the intention of this video is not to hindi para siraan yung mga kakilala namin or kayo na nasa MLM na, right? This video is to give to give a different perspective about MLM, okay? So yes, even me, I am in an MLM. We are members of MLM, pero ayan, we have considered things before getting into MLM, right? May mga kinonsider kami na mga bagay bago kami pumasok sa isang MLM. Okay? John Mark, sir, na ako gi-PM nimo sa Financial Freedom regarding maximum deposit to be deposited or invested in eToro, sir. Wala naman so far. I had a client, my friend invested in what do you call this, in eToro. Nag-deposit siya ng 2 million pesos sa eToro and wala namang problema. So, wala naman pong maximum amount to be deposited or invested in eToro. So, that's not a problem, John Mark Sarcelejo. Okay, Going back sa MLM, right? If you have any questions along the way, please post it in the comments para pag-usapan po natin. And please, share the video. Pakishare po itong video na ito so that your friends or your acquaintances, makita naman nila ito and they will be educated about investments, stock market, and today especially about today's topic, which is about MLM. So, mga dapat nilang malaman, dapat mong malaman about tungkol sa MLM. Okay? Ayun. So, yung issue ngayon kay MLM was yung natulfo ngayon was about someone na feeling niya ginamit lang daw siya sa MLM, etc. Right? So maybe we're gonna be going we'll touch a little of that topic, but what I'm gonna be sharing to you is the general view of MLM, na not just about one MLM. Kasi MLM are companies, and there will be companies na magkaka-issue, medyo may maliit na issue, may malaki na issue, nagkataon lang sa company na yun may malaking issue ngayon about the company. So just to be fair, may mga MLM companies naman na maganda ang takbo, right? And I know that for a fact. Yung MLM company na member ako ngayon is very good, right? Medyo matagal na siya, not very good in terms of earning para sa akin, but the company is doing well as a company itself, it's still running right now. Okay, so what is MLM? Ano ba yung MLM? Right? Dati ang pangalan ang tawag sa MLM is networking. Right? Networking, if narinig niyo yan, ito yung mag-i-invite kayo ng mga tao para mag-members din, and then pag naging member sila at nagbayad sila ng membership fees, if ever maka-pair ka or meron ka ma-invite, depends on their structure. If may ma-invite ka, magkakapera ka from your invitation. And then, if these people invite other people, and then, siyempre, hindi na ikaw ang gumawa nun. Ibang yung mga unders mo na nagtrabaho to look for members. If these members under you looks for more members, and then, kikita ka rin sa mga na-invite nila. So, basically, that's the passive part there. Passive income part, yun yung maganda na part pakinggan. Kasi, kung marami ka ng people under you, and these people are inviting, this multiplies your hands as mas marami na nag-i-invite para sa'yo, kahit hindi ka na mag-invite, kumikita ka with their invitation. So, that's the good thing about, that's the nice thing about MLM, and the money there is very lucrative. That's why it's very famous, diba? So what is yung networking, kasi napakapangit na ng notion, pinalitan ng pangalan. It's now called an MLM company, or it's called a multi-level marketing. MLM meaning multi-level marketing. Okay? Company. So yun yung bagong word for networking. But nonetheless, don't be confused. It's more or less the same as networking pa rin. Okay? Naiba lang yung pangalan. Okay. Now, so these are the things that you need to consider before getting into an MLM company. Right? Number one, you need to understand is who you're talking to. Yung mga nag-i-invite sa inyo. Okay? These are salesperson. Okay, nothing wrong about being a salesperson, but remember, what does a salesperson do? They sell. So, binibentahan ka nila. Ang binibenta nila sa iyo is a membership. If you buy into the membership, and that's it. And remember, most of the time, these people do not think about you as most of these people do not really consider you as yourself. If handa ka na ba pumasok dito or hindi. Say they will not consider your financial status. What they want really is for you to join. Kahit na mahirap ka, kahit na mangutang ka. I've joined an MLM seminar before na may nagtanong, sir, wala pa akong pera ngayon. Di mangutang ka or ganito, ganyan para makapasok ka. So, hindi naman lahat. Most of these people doesn't care about your financial status if mawala tong pera sa'yo. What they care about is for you to join. So, please, number one, take your time. Do not hurry. Okay? Take your time before getting into an MLM company. Do not hurry. Okay? Usually, the strategy of these salesperson is show you their earnings. Join ka dito. Sa isang buwan, magkaka-BMW ka. or sa 2 buwan, 3 buwan, makaka-BMW ka. In your first month, makaka-million ka. Like this person, tas may papakita yan sila na sasakyan sa'yo, or picture ba na sasakyan, or pera, napakaraming pera, or picture nila na napakaraming pera, etc. Okay, so what they're doing is showing you the money. Okay? They will show you the money in that you can earn. And sadly, ang mga Pinoy nawawala sa isip pag pera na ang nakikita or pag pera na ang pinag-uusapan. Right? This is the reason why so many people fall into scams, because what the scammers do is show you the money and you do not think properly already. This mentality is called the FOMO, fear of missing out. Uy, ang ganda, ang laki ng pera, ang ganda ng kotse, gusto ko rin magkaganyan. And you won't care how you get it anymore as long as you can get it. Kasi eto siya, gusto kong sumali para magkaganyan din ako. Same like stocks, right? Pag sa tingin nyo magandang kitaan, you forget about everything and just enter right away without considering the fundamentals, right? I always teach this in my seminar before getting into a company or before in a company. Hindi lang po pera ang titignan natin, right? Even that earnings, yung kinikita nila, you have to scrutinize that, right? May pinakita sa'yo na pera, you have to scrutinize the earnings. Where is the earning coming from? Is it from their sales? Kung sales galing ang pera, then maganda. That's the MLM I am with right now. Money that's coming into you is from sales, right? From sales po. If ever may ma-recruit ka, then that's extra, but then again, dapat mas malaki ang sales, mas magandang sales. We'll talk about product later on. Isa yan sa mga dapat kino-consider nyo. But my point is, do not look at the money. Do not just look at the money. Okay? Marami pong aspects na dapat tinitingnan nyo sa isang company before dapat kayo mag-invest, and not just the money in it. Kasi bakit? For example, yung pera nila, yes, malaki nga ang pera, pero saan ba yung galing ng pera? Is it from the products or is it from the membership? The problem with membership, kung galing sa membership yung pera, bulk of their money, the moment an MLM company wala nang magpa-member sa kanila, right? Wala nang magpapa-member sa kanila, but because that's the business model, doon sa membership, the new membership, pumapasok ang pera sa company, doon nabubuhay ang kumpanya. The moment wala nang members na pumasok, the business collapses and that MLM company goes down, and wala. Sayang. Masasayang ng pera nyo. So please, do not just look at the money, look at the other aspects of the business, like products, yung management, maganda ba yung management, magaling ba sila maghawak ng tao, how many years have they been there, have they been managing it well, and then yung sales nila, yung pera nila, yan. So ang daming aspects before you wanna get in. So please take time to think about that company, study that company first before you wanna get in. Do not hurry. Okay? Remember, whatever the recruiter says, even if there's a special offer, certain amount, discount, please, kumalma lang kayo. Uy, join ka dito. May discount tayo ngayon. Dati, membership namin is 20,000. May 50% off. 10,000 lang for this month. So, if ever hindi ka mag-join this month, if ever next month ka pa, 20,000 na. So, 10,000 na lang ngayon. So, dapat take this opportunity. In yung pinaka-effective na way na maraming nahuhulog sa mga Pinoy. Right? Even in the sales, even in sales sa mga mall, sasabihin sa inyo yan, ma'am, hanggang this week lang po ang sale natin, or hanggang today is the last day of the sale, ganito, bukas ganito na yung presyo niyan, so please take it today, and pala, bili ka na. Diba? So it happens. So sadly, please, take your time to think. Do not hurry, right? Remember, you're talking to salespersons when it comes to MLM, so please take your time before getting into an MLM. Okay, let me go to the comments really quick bago tayo pumunta sa second thing you need to know before getting in. Right, an MLM. Mary Canavides, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. John Mark Saleo, good morning. Privado Publico, good morning. Anong MLM po? MLM is networking or multi-level marketing businesses. Right? MLM. Nagsisales yan sila, but if you've heard of networking, basically that's it. Anilin, the banks are strict po when you deposit via wire transfer in eToro. Right, so they're strict but you own your money, so you can do that. My friend has done that already. Kine-question lang nila yan because that's money from them na nawawala. Right? Remember this, banks earn by you depositing your money to them. If ever kukunin nyo yung pera at ita-transfer nyo sa different institution, i-question talaga nila yan. Pahihirapan kayo niyan. Right? Unless you are strict with your money, you can, di nila dapat kine-question yan kasi you own the money. Okay? Kine-question, pinapahirapan lang kayo niyan kasi ayaw nila ilipat ninyo ang pera. That's the banks for you. Ed Siervo Jr., multi-level marketing po, privado. Okay, thanks. Right. So, Joseph Tanel, kasama ba yung mga binibentang, kasama ba dyan yung may mga binibentang product? Yes, definitely. Right. Yun yung ano yun yung parang mask nila. The business is there. Guys, this is our product. If you want to be able to sell this, because this is very sellable, so join kayo sa amin. Right? To join us, you have to pay membership fees. Right? Ganito yung membership fees, and then meron kayong bibigay products sa'yo, pwede na kayo magbenta. So, ganun po. Meron pong products yan, karamihan. Right? Lahat, halos. Right? May products yan. Ed Siervo, sir, binibigyan ba yung investor sa MLM ng list ng mga taong nasa downline niya for monitoring? Most MLM does. Most MLM company has. Meron yan silang website for you to log in para ma-monitor nyo po yung under sa inyo. And then meron dyan to calculate how much you'll be earning. Those are automated already. Especially the big MLM companies have that for you, for the convenience, para ganahan naman yung mga tao na mag-recruit pa ng mag-recruit. Power. Edgar Galang. Power. Naririnig niyo po yan. Power, yes. What is power? Sa mga, in case sa mga hindi pa alam yung MLM. Okay, so, I've talked to an MLM member what they use the power for. Ang power daw nila is yung mga coaching pinapakita nila, yung mga perang pinapakita nila, yun yung powers nila. Right? Yun yung powers nila para makapag-recruit na ibang tao. So we'll talk more about that. But yeah, hopefully you've heard, hopefully you've come across that, na sabihan na kayo ng power, etc. Pero ganyan kasi sa sales, you have to be very lively. And during their seminars, they use those terms power because they want it to be lively para ma-entice kayo pumasok. Okay, so next thing you need to know about MLM, bago kayo pumasok, you need to work hard for it, right? Kailangan nyo pong magtrabaho ng grabe para po kayo yumaman dyan. Hindi po yan ibig sabihin na, oy, pumasok ako, mag-recruit lang ako, yayaman na ako. Hindi po ganyan yan, right? I hope you know this already. There is no simple way of getting rich, right? Again, salesman yung mga yan, they're working hard very still. Yung mga naririnig nyo na part-time lang ito, work at home lang ito, you wish. Yung mga MLM, yung mga yumaman sa MLM na mga kaibigan ko, they worked hard for it from the start. Okay? Maagang gumigising yung mga yan, pumupunta yan sa mga, hindi lang sa city nila, pumupunta pa yan sa ibang city, lumilipad pa yan from Manila to Cebu, etc., to Mindanao, para makapaghanap ng mga bagong members. They worked hard for it. They go out early to look for prospects, right? Go home very late kasi grabe mag-seminar ang mga yan. Tapos linilibre pa yan yung mga na-seminar ng pagkain at nag-spend time pa sa mga bagong members para lang ma-invite. And you don't see this. No? Hindi nyo po makikita itong hard work nila because what they show you is their lifestyle na maganda ang buhay ko. But in reality, no. They are working hard for it. Right? I've never met an MLM millionaire na hindi nagtrabaho ng mahirap para sila yumaman. Okay? So the notion of part-time lang ito, yayaman ka, hindi mo kailangan magtrabaho ng ng grabe para yumaman ka. That's false. Okay? But once, I have a friend right now who earns 2 million a month. Right? Grabe. 2 million a month. Right? Pero nagtatrabaho pa rin siya ngayon. He's still inviting people. Right? Kasi it's hard work. Okay? but maganda ang rewards. I will recommend working hard here instead of working hard on your job instead. Right? Pag may nahanap kayong MLM na magandang product, etc., pasukin nyo, and then this is where you work hard. Because, dito sa field na ito, yung MLM, if you work hard in it, sa simula, yung results niya, let's say 5 years, 6 years after, mas maganda na ang buhay ninyo. Hindi nyo na kailangan magtrabaho ng matagal and mahirap. There's financial freedom in this. Okay? If you ask me, saan ba maganda magtrabaho magsipag magtrabaho, if may MLM kayo maganda, magsipag kayo magtrabaho dyan sa MLM nyo. This is a very, very, very good business to go into. Okay? I will tell you that honestly. Pero please, hindi po ito get rich quick na scheme. Kailangan nyo pong trabahuan ito ng mahirap sa simula before you will reach that level. Pero here, at the very least, the more you work hard, the better your earnings is and the better your future is. Kumpara sa trabaho na kahit na magtiyaga ka dyan sa trabaho mo, kahit na magsipag ka, pares na kayo ng sinasahod ng tamad. Ma-promote ka man, yes, pero magkano ba yung increase sa isang promotion? Napakaliit lang. Dito, the more you work hard, the better, and then palaki ang business mo. Once your business reach this level of stability, kahit na hindi ka na gumalaw, yung mga tao mo na lang ang i-entice mo. Kahit hindi ka na mag-recruit, sila na bahala mag-recruit. Ang gagawin mo na lang is you just do the seminars, encourage these people to invite more and sell more, and then you get money from it. So, yun din ang magandang side sa MLM. So, I will recommend you work hard on it if ever may mahanap kayo magandang MLM. Right. So, that's the second thing you need to know about MLM. Hindi po madaling trabaho yan. Contrary to what you're saying na pinapakita na pera ko, kotse ko. Pero matinding trabahuan behind that. Right? Gear Trader, sir, good morning. Na-open ako ng isang account sa eToro kaso di pwede same contact number. Not sure if di pa pwede ang same contact number. I'll ask for that. But yes, mas maganda if gawa lang yung misis nyo, girlfriend nyo, or sino ba may ibang number dyan gamitin nyo. Anyways, just for registration and for verification purposes. Manny Davis, good morning. Kahit gabi na yung presentation, totoo yan. Right? MLM. Hindi, gabihan yan. Madaling araw na nakakauwi yung mga yan. Gabihan na yan. Magpe-present pa yan sa mga gagawin, ini-invite nila. Uno ba yan? Privado, publiko. Yes. Uno is one of the biggest networking businesses before. Pero, I don't know if they're still up. Pero yung pinakamalaking office na Uno dito sa Cebu is nawala na. Alan Tiga, sir, paano malaman kung legit ang MLM company daw? That's very good. That's a very good question. Marami namang legit na MLM companies there. Pero later on, we'll talk about how do you consider if this MLM company is good to get into. Alan, madali lang kasi maging legit eh. Magpa-register ka lang, register sa MLM company, then you're already legit. The problem is, yung management mo ba is okay, yung products mo ba is okay, etc. We'll talk more about that later. Ano ba dapat natin tingnan before we wanna get in? Joseph Tanael, Sir Lloyd, yung USANA, legit po ba yan? Yan. So, you mentioned USANA. I am a member of USANA. It's a legitimate company. Okay? I am a member of USANA, but I don't sell. Nag-member lang ako ng USANA is because maganda yung product and we have to be members para makakuha kami ng murang product. That's the one downside of an MLM company. Products tend to be overpriced. Kasi kailangan pa nilang bigyan ng pera yung mga nagbenta, yung mga upper heads mo, etc. So, to compensate for the compensation that they're giving to the agents, minamahala nila yung products nila. So, what I did was, nag-member lang ako para makakuha ako ng products na mura. And we are still, yes, yun pa rin ang ginagawa namin. Hindi ako nagbebenta. But it's a legit company. Right? May kaibigan, yung sinabi kong malaking kinikita every month. Yet, he is from USANA. Right? Problem po kay USANA ngayon, sobrang dami na ng agents and sobrang mahal ng products. But if you have a clientele who uses USANA, if meron kayong mga mabentahan ng USANA, then that's good. Right? Annalyn, MLM is only good for those who are in the top line. Partly not true, right? Hindi siya, it greatly favors those who are in the top line. So you're right on that point. Pero yung mga nasa baba naman, it's lesser for them. Why? Because the market is saturated. Meaning, napakarami ng members usually. So, yung mga nasa downline, meaning marami na kayong downlines, it really favors the top line. Pero if kakasimula mo pa lang and you know what you're doing, you know what to do, you have the contacts, etc., then you can still take advantage of it naman. Okay? So, you can still, pero you can still do well even if you're at the downline, pero mas madali kung nasa simula kayo. So, Annalyn, that's true also. You're right. Elmer Vincent Medina, good morning, sir. Good morning din. Ed Server, sir, ano ang difference ng networking MLM sa pyramiding? Excuse me. Pyramiding, usually walang product. Right? Alam niyo yung nangyari kay, right, not to badmouth, but they're already close, so maybe I can talk about it. Alam niyo yung nangyari sa Kapa, 'di ba? Si Kapa walang product, right? All they did was invite more people. If may ma-invite ka, may makukuha ka, and then itong mga tao na ito, every month daw may kinikita, and then may extra pa kayong kita if ever ma-invite kayo. So, that's pyramiding. Walang product, but maybe an investment investment scheme na wala naman produkto, sinasabi lang na meron, pero wala naman talaga. Or like what happened with Kappa, ini-invest daw nila, tinitrade daw sa Forex, etc. So, not verified kung totoo ba yun or hindi, but that's pyramiding. Sa MLM naman, may products po na binibenta. Okay? So, that's the difference between MLM, networking, sa pyramiding. Gear Trader, pwede ko send yung username ko dito, sir, pa-check if under na sa'yo. Sige, Gear Trader, we can spend maybe 10 seconds to check it out. Okay, so going next sa topic natin, we've already read the comments. Time check, it's 8:58, so maaga pa naman. You don't have, ito yung sinasabi nila, you don't have a boss here. Wala kayong boss dito sa MLM. Totoo po yan, wala kayong boss. Ikaw may-ari ng oras mo. But there is peer pressure. Grabe yung peer pressure sa MLM. If you're a manager, yes, wala kang boss, pero you have to push the people under you to sell. Right? People in MLM business stick together because it is true. The earnings of your downline is your earnings too. Totoo po yan. So, kailangan mo magtrabaho pa rin. I-push mo yung mga nasa downline mo. And, yeah, you help them and this becomes a pressure to them. So, yeah, wala kang boss, but pero meron ka pa rin susundin na tao para lumaki ang business mo. So, there's still peer pressure in it. It's not direct boss pa rin, pero there's peer pressure in it. Okay? Yan. That's a little thing that you need to know. Pero eto po, before you go, paano ba malaman kung maganda yung MLM? Basically, ito yung pinakamaganda. Paano ba malaman kung maganda ang MLM na yan pasukan? Right? There are MLM companies right now are doing well because of this. Number one. Believe in your product. Believe in your products. Marami ang products nyo. But please believe in the product that you are selling. Membership, invitation, just comes second. Okay? Si Usana, naging magandang company si Usana because the products are good. May kamahalan lang, kaya medyo mahirap kay Usana. At sobrang dami na ng agents kay Usana ngayon, so it might be too late to get in. But who am I to say, right? Hindi naman ako nagbebenta and hindi naman ako active talaga sa Usana even though I'm a member. Meron ngayon, right? So, libre nyo na tong plugging sa akin. I so many friends right now who are into Valentos, right? Valentos, ito yung product na nagpapapayat. And you see the results naman. So, they believe in the products and then that's why they're doing well, right? Yung membership is just second, but the product itself is good. Yung lang problema ko, again, because it's through MLM, so may kamahalan yung products. Anyways, yeah, believe in the products. So many companies right now that are doing well because of their products. And if you're into MLM, focus on the product, focus on selling product. If you cannot sell the product, then you won't be a good MLM member there. Okay? You have to believe in the product first. Okay? And then you have, because you believe in the product, ang dali lang ibenta ng product if you believe in the product. right? And when you sell, and there's money in it, and then if ever gusto rin ng mga binibentahan ninyo na magka-extra din, or gusto lang makatipid sa product, mag-member sila sa iyo, then that's good. Okay? Please look at the products. You don't have to look at the company maybe, but eto lang, right? You have to look at the company if it's legit, if it's registered, it's easy to check that out. Pero ito yung pinaka-importante na tinitingnan nyo, the product, right? Yung perang pinapakita nila sa iyo, yung coaching pinapakita nila sa iyo, galing ba yan sa sales nila or kasi dahil sa membership nila? Okay? So this is something that you need to look at. If the MLM company is heavy on the membership pero yung sales naman nila ang hirap ibenta ng product, then that's a shaky MLM company. Most probably hindi magtatagal yan. Right? You have to have a very good product before you wanna get into an MLM company. Okay? So, yun po yung pinaka-importanting tinitignan nyo before you wanna get into an MLM company. And lastly lang, meron ako i-share sa inyo lastly na dapat nyo malaman before you get into an MLM company. So, let me just take care of this really quick. Itong request ni Gear Trader, username niya is Gerald Aris or Gerald Anderson. Alright, so one moment please. Please give me 20 seconds. Right, so Gerald Aris is under me already, right? So, yes, it is under me. So, thank you so much. Alright, so let's go back to the comments. Edgar Galang, Sir Lloyd, ask ko lang kasi nag-withdraw ako nung Feb, yung natira ko na fund is $200. Bakit yung start value ko nung March is the same pa rin kasama ng withdraw ko? Alright, so I think this is a technical issue. I'm not sure if I can answer this, but best to email this person, jeffgu@etoro.com. So, please email this person to check it out. Pero as much as possible, kung na-withdraw mo at natanggap mo na yung pera, yung 200 lang ang i-ano mo, baka kasi ma-negative ka. Okay? So, please email that person. Alright, so going back, lastly, dapat malaman nyo before you get into MLM. Okay? Ito po. If you don't have money for it, if you're broke, don't force it. Huwag nyo pong pipilitin makapasok sa kumpanyang yan. If wala kayong pera or hirap kayo o kailangan nyo mangutang dahil dyan, please do not do that. Okay? And if you are already an MLM member, if you're recruiting, huwag kayong magpapautang for these people to get in para lang may downline ka. I tell you, meron akong kaibigan na nagpapautang siya, tinakbuhan. Ang daming friendship na nasira dahil sa MLM, pautang sa MLM, etc. Okay? But if you don't have money, don't force it. Huwag kayong manghiram ng pera, etc. Right? I've seen people cut friendships because they can't pay debts due to MLM. Nangungutang sila dahil sa MLM. If you don't have extra na, magkano ba yung mga MLM? 4K, 5K, mura. Merong maabot ng 10K, 20K, even mga 40K, 30K. If wala kayo extra, then don't risk it there. It's risky also. Okay? So, wag po nyo pipilitin pag wala kayong pera. Okay? So yan, even if you've been investing in stock market, di ba? Sinasabi ko sa inyo, only put in money you can afford to lose. Same here. Wag nyo pong pipilitin if wala kayong pera. Please, wag kayong mangutang para sa MLM. Okay? You have to have extra for it because you're not sure if mababawi ninyo or hindi. Okay, yun po yung tip ko. But MLM, may kaguluhan ngayon sa Tulfo about MLM. I won't name the MLM. Pero that's the problem with MLM right now. Okay? Ang pinaka-problema ko sa MLM is people are becoming fakes because of it. Okay? Just for the sake of money, for the sake of earning, for the sake of inviting people, they have to put up a fake face, right? Peke na yung nakikita ninyo na pera, yung kotse, hinihiram lang yan, pinagpapasahan lang yan sa mga members yung kotse na yan. Pinapadrive sa kanila ng 1 buwan, 2 buwan, tapos ipapasa naman sa kabila para may picture kayo, family outing with the car, etc. Para makita nyo, tapos mainggit kayo, tapos invite nyo kayo, uy pare, pag mag-comment kayo, uy pare, ang ganda ng kotse mo. Pag nag-comment ka sa Facebook post na yan, magpi-PM yan sa'yo, uy pare, yes, na-afford ko ito. Gusto mo matuto, paano ko na-afford ito? And yan na, open-minded ka ba? Diyan na yung magsisimula yung invitation, right? And then they post money, they post their lifestyle, they post fakeness just for the sake of inviting people and making more money. That's the thing I hate the most about MLM. Nagkakagamitan. And syempre, pera na right? People become desperate when it comes to money. And again, because you need to work hard. This is how people in the MLM industry, most people in the MLM industry work hard. They have to fake it. They have to fake it para makakuha. That's part of their strategy. And that's how they work hard, and that's what they're sacrificing. They're para lang kumita. And I tell you again, it's not easy work. You have to work hard for it, even to a point that others will fake their lifestyles just to get invitation, just to sell memberships. Okay, so please, that's MLM for you. Yes, there are good MLMs company out there, but again, please take time to research for the company, research the product. Maganda ba yung product? You have to believe in the product. Okay? And do not believe in the statement na easy money, next month makakaganito ka. Huwag po kayong mabulag dahil sa pera. Okay? Never do that. There's no such thing as easy money in this world. Okay. Ambrosio de Fonturum, thanks for your welcome. Ambrosio de Fonturum, Coach, thanks po sa pag-discuss about vlogging. Nakapag-upload na ako ng first video para may remembrance sa pagtanda. Very good. Alright, guys. Video blogging. I have a video about video blogging. It's one way of turning your passion into your, what do you call this? Your passion will become your career. Right? My passion is into teaching and helping people and bringing people up with me. And napunta ako sa financial literacy. And it's now my career. And through video blogging. Right? Nagsimula ako sa video blogging and it became successful. Thank God. You can do that too. Right? Pero eto sa simula, walang pera. Right? Has to be passion work. Robert Castleton, morning. Sir Lloyd, Vita, please, MRC. Right. So, we're done with the topic. I hope this opened your eyes about MLM and you understand the things that you need to consider before getting into MLM. Huwag kayong mainggit. Huwag kayong paloko sa pera. You have to study on your own before getting into that MLM company. Okay? Huwag kayong mafa-FOMO sa pera sa mga kotse nila. Okay. International market, meron akong nakapending ngayon na order. So, punta na tayo sa stock market, guys. We are, for those who are just watching now, I am into stock market also and I teach about stock market. So, right now, sa stock market, merong magandang position ako nakita. Si Facebook, meron ako nakapending order na $1,000 ngayon kay Facebook. That's because Facebook, we saw the market drop a lot, but we are seeing the market stabilize already. Sila Apple, look at yung watch list natin. If you wanna check out the watch list, sila Apple kahapon climbed 4%, Google climbed 3%, Facebook climbed 3% yesterday. Sila Amazon nagba-bounce na. And the good thing about the bounces are, let's check out AAPL. Si Apple confirmed na yung supports niya. Okay? So bounce, nag-pull back, then that's the bounce of Apple yesterday. Pinakamagandang bounce ngayon na nakita ko is FB because it's still at the bottom, right? Sobrang kasing bagsak ni FB, but the bounce is there, right? It's a higher high. So price action trading right there is good. So I can recommend this. So meron tayong support at 185. That will be my support and yun po yung cut loss natin. So around this area. So, Facebook, I will recommend Facebook for buying. Meron akong pending order. So, pag na-open ang market mamaya, makakapasok ako kay Facebook kaagad. So, that's my recommendation for the international market right now. Merong kahapon, update sa international, sa local market. Yan, si ISM. Sabi sa inyo, ibodegan nyo na yan. Biggest winner yesterday, 13%. So guys, start accumulating lang. This is a very good support already. Kaka-breakout lang ni ISM. That's the support what we discussed about ISM. So this is already very good for ISM. Bodega lang. No need to go aggressive. The market is still not doing well. But look at PSEI if you want to check out PSEI. If you check out PSEI, we are now starting to create a support at 6,700 and starting to go green. This is good for PSEI. Sobrang mura na ito. We are at support levels for PSEI. So people are now starting to bargain hunt. Ang ganda ng move ng market yesterday. You can see the blue chips going up. So this is nice. This is nice for the blue chips and the market. So start bargain hunting already. Start accumulating if hindi pa kayo nakapag-accumulate. So test buys na kayo habang nagbabounce sa support ang market. And then if it goes on an uptrend, then that's where we go aggressive and buy more. Okay? So, meron dito, sir, Pfizer and HC po. Sige, tingnan natin yan mamaya. Unahin natin si Robert Castletort. Vita, MRC, si Vita. Let's check out Vita. Okay, so si Vita, very good support for Vita. Okay? But market is very hard right now. Alright? I will strongly recommend dun kayo sa mga blue chips muna ngayon. Vita, we are seeing a bearish signal right here, but we have a support right here. So overall, it's still bearish. So I cannot recommend Vita yet. I will strongly recommend go for blue chips instead for in this kind of market. Okay? Kasi una yung titignan pag nagre-recover ng market, the blue chips are gonna carry the market. MRC still bearish overall, nagbe-break pa ng support, so I cannot recommend MRC. Still, we need further price action for MRC for it to be good to buy. Joseph Tanel, Sir Lloyd, insights nyo po sa US market, or artificial ba yung green day noong nakarang araw? We cannot say kung artificial ba or hindi, but it's a good sign for the market. So with that, you can try to test the market. Pero test lang ha, wag masyadong aggressive on the market. Just do test buys. Okay? Melinda, insights on GFC and MBT. The blue chips are looking well right now. So it's GFC did a good bounce yesterday. So accumulation, hopefully nakapag-accumulate na kayo. If this creates a support, confirms a support, pwede kayo mag-buy more for GFC. Looking well naman sa GFC. I cannot say if okay na ito talaga sa GFC. It's just that the market bounced yesterday and isa sa GFC sa mga nag-bounce. But overall, we are still seeing a downtrend. So, test buys lang. Long term po tayo kay GFC. Wala pa munang trading ngayon. And MBT, ito si MBT. Napakamura ni MBT ngayon. Massive supports for MBT. Yes, MBT, I can say, okay na rin ito si MBT. Pwede na natin simulan mag-collect na kay MBT. Pfizer. International markets. Let's go to PFIZAR. PFE. Pfizer. Ayun. So, Pfizer looking well. I want Pfizer to do a pullback. Sana magpula muna ito. And then, on the next bounce, saka natin pasukin si Pfizer. The medical companies are gonna be doing well the next coming days. So, yes. Pfizer is good. Looking good si Pfizer. Pero pullbackin nyo muna before you wanna get in. So that you have a support. Etsy Incorporated. Uy, grabe. Massive climb for Etsy. Pero masyado mataas na po yan, huwag nyo habulin sa taas, okay? Let it pull back and create a support. Most probably at 55, hopefully mag-pull back siya hanggang dyan. I can say if magpo-pull back siya hanggang dyan, but let it pull back and bounce before you, at least you wanna do the entry. Sir Lloyd, what about MB? Ang problema ko kay MB sa Philippine stock market is it's not a very liquid stock, so it's really hard to get it. I don't see any reason why MB is gonna go up again next coming days, but we have a support to help you right here. So trading lang, MB is for trading, pull back and bounce siya, so that's good to know. May magandang price action siya. So yeah, you can test out MB today for trading. Pero please, maliit lang ng pera because it's not a good market to trade. Makai. Time check is 9:15. Si Makai, mahirap si Makai. Pero nasa support si Makai, so it's good. Problema ko kay Makai, yung volume niya Walang volume ngayon si Makai, So that's bearish for me. I'm not seeing any volume. Pero at the very least, it's very low risk right now. So yes, try to check out the support if gusto niyo talaga mag-trade. Pero I really don't like to trade right now. Sir, pag nag-open ba yung market tapos mas mataas ang sa pending order mo na buy, ma-open ba? Yes, ma-open yan kaagad. Okay? Yung pending order nyo. Kasi, ang pending order, the algorithm behind that is, if the price hits this level, for example, I will only execute a buy if the price reaches $6. But what if nag-open siya ng 6.1? Meaning yung algorithm, na-hit siya. Right? So, the next available is 6.1, so yun na yung bibilhin mo kaagad. Kasi na-hit na yung buy order mo. So, you will have to execute the buy. Okay? Marims, pa-check po, sir, MSFT and BMY. So, let's check out MSFT. Isa sa paborito kong companies talaga si MSFT kasi kung mag-pullback yan, napakalit lang ng pullback. Sorry. MSFT. Okay, uy, si Microsoft din pala. Bounce and then pull back and bounce. Okay, si Microsoft. Thanks for asking for Microsoft. I think I'll be buying some Microsoft later. Okay? So this is good. Right? Pero ang ganda sana kung dito sa support yan. But nonetheless, it's a pullback and bounce. So that's a good sign for MSFT. That's pero may resistance dito eh. I will want for Microsoft to break out na lang muna at the very least because we have secondary resistance here. Malapit siya sa resistance eh. So let it break out na lang. Dalawang beses na hit yung price na yan nung bumabagsak siya. For MSFT, then meron si BMY. Right, BMY. Pullback and bounce for BMY. This is looking well for BMY. Yeah, with the market recovering, BMY is looking good. Okay, look for a support for you to enter before you wanna get in BMY. Okay, so Marips, these are good finds. Edgar Galang, tinatanong niyo po si NVIDIA. Very good company right now. Nag-pullback lang siya, then bounce kaagad yesterday. So, ganda ng pullback and bounce ng market. NVIDIA, very good company. Wait for a good entry. Mas maganda ang pullback and bounce nito. Actually, nag-breakout to siya. Pero mas maganda pullback nito. Right? Natatakot ako sa mga to kasi nasa taas pa rin sila. Kaya the reason why I entered Microsoft, no questions about Microsoft, that's a very solid company. The reason why si Facebook ang gusto ko kasi napakamura na yung Facebook. Kaya sila Nvidia, I'm shaky about that kasi napakalit lang ng pullback nila. Baka mahitay sa yung parang pangit na lang. Si Starbucks naman, pullback and bounces. This is even better kasi mas deep yung pullbacks ni Starbucks. So this is a much healthier position compared to Nvidia. So I hope you understand my point. Mas maganda yung positions na ito because mas deeper yung pullback niya compared sa Nvidia na isang dip lang and tas bumalik na kaagad. So I'm kind of shaky with this. Isang dip lang, tingnan niyo po, isang dip lang then umakyat na kaagad. Compared to Facebook na mas deeper yung dip niya compared to SBox na mas deeper yung nila, yung dips nila before recovering. So mas maganda ito for me. Okay? So mas maganda itong position ito kay Starbucks. So let me execute a buy order for Starbucks, leverage 1. So I'm gonna share to you live trading. So I'm gonna put $600 for in Starbucks times 1 leverage. Okay, so stop loss ko is $30. Okay, so set order. Everything's okay. This is buy, right? So stop loss is 30. Okay. Set order. So may pending order na ako sa Starbucks. So mamaya pag nag-open si Starbucks, buy ako ng position sa Starbucks. So this is a good find si Starbucks. Okay? Ay ako pala naghanap nun. NVIDIA, Maria Chona Bautista, good morning sir. MWC please, this is for the local markets. Let's check out MWC. Si MWC, is it out of the woods already? I think okay na, nasalbar na si MWC. It's resting at support right now. So if you wanna trade this is a good avenue to trade right now. So this is a very good support for MWC. So yeah, sobrang mura ni MWC ngayon. I will say yes. Maganda pasukin si MWC ngayon. It's just that hopefully the market plays accordingly. Okay, sana mag-recover ang market. So, pag nag-recover ang market, you are in a very good position. If ever mag-pullback pa, kaya po test buy ang gusto ko ninyong gawin dito because this is a good time to start collecting MWC. Mag-collect kayo ng some dito. If ever it goes further down, then just buy another batch because it's already very cheap. Okay? Angelito Rivera, you're welcome. Michael Chan, similar po ba ang chart nila? Similar po mga chart nila. Sumusunod lahat sa market trend. Yes, totoo po yan. Brosha de Fonturum, Coach Lift po. Thanks, right? Kamustahin natin si Lift, LYFT. Same rin si Lift. Nag-recover din si Lift, So, looking well for Lift. This is the cheapest Lift has been for the past few days. Galing na mga bumili kay Lift dito sa support. So, I want Lift to pull back and bounce before really entering for Lift, okay? That will be a further confirmation of the support. If it does that, then I'm gonna be buying Lift. Nakalipad na kasi si Lift, nakakatakot pasukin, especially though the market is still shaky because of the coronavirus scare. Nigel gets art souvenir wristwatch. Sir, ano nangyari pag post yung account sa eToro, not close? So, pag naka-post yung copying ninyo, then that means hindi gagalaw ang port ninyo. Right. Yeah, I need to research more about that. I haven't tried posting, okay? So, to be honest with you, sabi lang nila sa akin, mapopost yung movement ng pera. So, that's it. But I want to know more about it. I want to experience it. I will talk more about that in the future pag ipopost ninyo ano mangyayari. Okay? So, I haven't experienced it yet. Sabi lang nila hindi gagalaw yung port mo. So, I don't know the advantages of it, the disadvantages of it yet. So, I can't say for sure. So, that's a very good question. From Nigel. I'm gonna ask eToro about this so that they can discuss with me more about this. Okay, so yan, we've run through all the all the comments. So hopefully today was a good learning day for you guys with the daily grind. Bukas, we'll talk about hedging strategies, right? Hedging strategies meaning if the market falls, if your investment falls, syempre you lose money here. What can you do? Where can you diversify? How do you hedge this? Meaning, mag-diversify kayo na kung bumabagsak itong market na ito, umaakit naman ito. Okay? It's hedging. So that if ever it goes down, your other investment goes up, nullifying the negative effects of your other funds. So that's very good. That's something you need to learn as an investor also. So I want to talk about this hedging strategies. Ano ba? Paano ba mag-hedge? Right? Para kung bumagsak man yung long-term stocks ninyo, may hedging strategies kayo na kahit bumagsak yan, maakit naman to pa habang bumabagsak yan so that I don't lose money during this kind of market na medyo shaky talaga. Okay? So we're gonna be talking about that tomorrow. It's gonna be another very helpful learning day for you guys tomorrow. So abangan nyo po yung episode bukas. Today, please share this video. Sana naman po ma-share ninyo para yung mga kaibigan natin who are at least considering getting into MLM businesses and joining, they will know what to know first, what to learn first, what to check first before entering the MLM business. That's it for today. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.